Hello, welcome to this morning skincare routine. I'm excited to share with you my favorite products and techniques for achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. First up, it's important to start with a clean face. I like to wash my face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or leftover makeup from the night before. This helps to prevent clogged pores and keep my skin looking fresh and clean. Next, I like to use a toner to help balance the pH of my skin and tighten my pores. I apply it using a cotton pad and swipe it all over my face and neck. Now it's time for serum. I like to use a serum to target specific skincare concerns such as acne, aging, or uneven skin tone. I apply it all over my face and neck, using a patting motion to help it absorb into my skin. Next up is eye cream. The skin around our eyes is delicate, and it's important to keep it moisturized to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. I like to use a small amount and gently dab it around my eye area. Now it's time for moisturizer. I like to use a moisturizer to hydrate and protect my skin. It's especially important to use a moisturizer with SPF in the morning to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. I apply it all over my face and neck, using a circular motion to help it absorb into my skin. Lip balm. And finally, I like to finish my routine with a lip balm to keep my lips hydrated and healthy. And that's it for my morning skincare routine. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to tailor your skincare routine to your specific skin type and concerns. For more such informational videos on skincare, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Groomed and Glamorous 101. Thanks for watching.